Reflecting the importance of the Altima to the Nissan brand, the company is making its largest investment ever in a new model powertrain development, introducing for the first time two completely new engines for one model change. The new 2.0-litre VC turbo, which recently launched as a world's first technology in the all-new INFINITI QX50 crossover, replaces the previous generation Altima's 3.5-litre V6, offering similar performance figures while providing 4-cylinder fuel economy. It will be available on the Altima SR and Platinum front-wheel drive grades. The new 2.5-litre inline 4-cylinder, which is standard on all 2019 Altima front-wheel drive and intelligent all-wheel drive grade levels, utilizes more than 80% new or redesigned parts. It offers 9 additional horsepower and a fuel economy improvement versus the previous generation 2.5-litre design. Importantly, both engines' short-profile designs and low engine mountings contribute to the all-new Altima's low and wide exterior design, including the lower hood and cowl, as well as reduced levels of noise, vibration and harshness (NVH). With its long list of Nissan intelligent mobility features such as ProPilot Assist, this all-new 2019 Altima is the most advanced sedan we have ever built, said Jose Munoz, Chief Performance Officer, Nissan Motor Co., Limited. Yet not to be overlooked is the groundbreaking technology under the hood, 2 new engines that power the Altima's balanced, confidence-inspiring driving experience, world's first production variable compression turbo engine. Designated as the VC Turbo, the technology behind the new Altima powerplant was more than 20 years in development and represents a breakthrough in combustion engine design by continually adjusting its compression ratio to optimize power and fuel efficiency. It is projected to offer a double-digit % increase in fuel economy. Assembled in Japan, the VC Turbo changes its compression ratio seamlessly through an advanced multi-link system, continuously raising or lowering the piston's reach to transform compression ratio, offering both power and efficiency on demand. A high compression ratio gives greater efficiency, but in certain applications poses the risk of premature combustion, knocking. A low compression ratio allows for greater power and torque and avoids knocking. In operation, the VC turbo engine offers any compression ratio between 8:1 for high performance and 14:1 for high efficiency. The engine delivers 248 horsepower at 5,600 revolutions per minute and 273 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute premium fuel. The VC turbo's specific power output is higher than many competing turbocharged gasoline engines and comes close to the performance of some V6 gasoline engines. The unit's single-scroll turbo ensures immediate accelerator responses on demand. Along with the world's first multi-link system, the engine features an electric motor with a unique harmonic drive reduction gear to manage the variable compression ratio. The electric motor is connected to the harmonic drive with a control arm. As the harmonic drive rotates, the control shaft at the base of the engine rotates, moving the multi-link system within the engine. As the angle of the multi-link arms changes, it adjusts the top dead center position of the pistons, and the compression ratio with them. An eccentric control shaft changes the compression ratio of all the cylinders at the same time. As a result, the engine capacity varies between 1,997 cc for a low 8:1 ratio and 1,970 cc high 14:1 ratio. The transformative multi-link components are manufactured in high-carbon steel alloy. The engine also utilizes 2 combustion cycles, with the electronic variable valve timing allowing the engine to switch between Atkinson and regular combustion cycles. This allows for greater efficiency and optimal performance as the compression ratio transforms. Compared with the previous generation Altima's 3.5-litre V6 engine, the 2.0-litre VC turbo requires less space in the engine bay. The integrated exhaust manifold in the cylinder head contributes to the compact engine packaging, improves turbo response and enables the catalytic converter to heat up quickly for lower emissions. The engine also contributes to lower NVH levels. The VC turbo engine uses both multi-point injection and gasoline direct injection to balance efficiency and power in all conditions. Gasoline direct injection improves combustion efficiency and performance, and enables the engine to avoid knocking at higher compression ratios.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.